Hello friends, welcome to National PC YouTube channel. Myself Prosenjit. Today I will show you one of the powerful and reliable monitor from MSI Pro MP242. It's a 24-inch IPS panel monitor. This monitor has many more features. In this video I will show you all the technical details and all the features about this monitor. I will also show you what is the picture quality from this IPS panel monitor. So let's begin this video. MSI Pro MP242. It has many more features, so I will tell you one by one. First of all, this monitor has the anti-flickering. That means when you are using this monitor for the long time, this monitor has the features that it will not flicker the screen. So it will not stress your eyes. Because if the screen flickering is happening, then there is so much a problem you can face in your eyes, like dry eyes, or you can feel some strain in your eyes. So this monitor has the anti-flickering facility, so this type of problem it will not happen. Next thing is, this monitor has the low blue light features, because blue light is very much harmful as per the medical science for your eyes. So this monitor has the low blue light filter. So whenever you want to use for the long time or the evening time, or you want to read some books, so you can use this low blue light filter. There is an option in this monitor. I will show you at the unboxing time. Next thing is, this monitor, the screen is the anti-glare, or this monitor the screen is not the reflection that will not happen. So if you use this monitor, you can check this is the gray panel or this is the anti-glare panel. So it will help you to protect the two things. One is your eye will be protected, and next thing is that picture details. All the details you can clearly see, all the lines you can clearly see with this panel. Next thing is, this monitor has IPS panel, which is very good things, because IPS panel, it has two features, mainly major two features. One is the color details facility, and next thing is the viewing angle. So whenever you are using this monitor for your professional purpose, so all the color details will be very much prominent. And next thing is the viewing angle. For its viewing angle is 178 degrees. So you can use this monitor as your professional purpose or your home purpose also. So 2 and 3 people or multiple people can together sit it and so this monitor, whatever the content is there, can easily view in this from this monitor. And next thing is, this monitor panel or this monitor is the tilt facility is there. So depends on your height. You can adjust this monitor tilt so that the viewing angle will be perfect for you. That will help to decrease the eye strain. That will also help you to use the long-term purpose. So let's unboxing this package, and I will show you the actual product, and I will show you also power on after this, and what is the picture quality and how this tilt facility will be done. MSI Pro MP242. Let's open the seal. Nice thermocol padded. It will secure the full monitor. This is the HDMI cable included. This is the manual. This is the power cable. Normal Indian plug. This is the tilt stand. This is the base. I will show you how to attach this. This is the monitor. Wow. All the main features is written on the right side. You can check. This is the eye care facility is there. This monitor also get the TUF certified, which is a very good certificate actually for the display purpose. And as I have already told you, anti-flicker. This is the less blue light, ergonomic. That means you can tilt this display, and it has the built-in speaker. Let's check the back side. Wow, this monitor also has one features. This has the VESA mount compatible. So you can attach the VESA compatible mini PC or VESA compatible any kind of device backside of this monitor. So it will save your desk space and it will give you a clean look. And left side it has all the menu button. Okay, this is the power button, this is the menu button, this is the increase and decrease button, and this is the exit button. And this is the stand mounting point. Now check the power points and other ports also. This port is for the power port, the AC input 230 volt. And there is the two display. This monitor has the two display input, one HDMI, one VGA. You can also use this monitor for the two display purpose. You can attach at a time the two device. So whenever you need to use one device, you can have to set from the monitor settings the which input you require, one HDMI or VGA. And this is for the headphone output. There is this icon, and this is for the headphone input. So there is two audio input and output, both are available. And this monitor also one great things actually I need to mention this. This monitor is the bezel-less. So this bezel-less means you can attach the multiple monitor. So the many professional works like video editing or photo editing, they need the multiple monitor side by side. So if you use the same monitor, same model in the side by side, the two monitor between this space is very less. So it will help you to work flawlessly. So now I will show you how to attach this monitor stand. This is the main base. So first I will show you how to attach this base. There is a main hole point, and this base is also on the hole point. So you just simply attach this, and there is the on. You can tighten this using your hands. No need to use any screwdriver or anything. It's a very much tightened. Okay. So now it is fixed. Now we will just simply push this from this position. Okay. So it's locked. So it's very easy to attach this stand. Now you can check this is the tilt. This much tilt is possible from the monitor. It's a very good angle actually. So you can using from the very bottom to the top angle using the stand. So this monitor you can use also for the desk purpose where you are standing working. This position is also is good. So now I will power on this device and I will show you what is the picture quality and what is the menu settings is available in this monitor. Now we will turn on this monitor. We have already connected the power cable and the HDMI cable. So let's start this monitor. We have already playing some video in the background from the YouTube channel. Let's check the color quality. This is IPS panel. You can check all the color depth are prominent. Prominent color is there. And you can also check the sound. The background sound what is playing right now is coming from the monitor only. Now I will check from all the settings. It has the 5 buttons on the back side. First one is the power button, after that menu button, after that up down, and then the exit button. So you can use all these buttons to select your menu. Okay. First one, this is the D-sub mode and this is the HDMI mode. You can choose whatever you need from this button. Okay. And next menu, I will show you from the second thing is the menu button. This is the menu button. On the menu button you can up down. This is the all option is available. This is the contrast, brightness. In the eco mode. Eco mode there is an option for the eco mode. You can check. Now it's playing as a standard mode. You can choose as a sports mode. This is a movie mode. This is a game mode. Internet mode means this is the light brightness will be less, and text mode also the brightness will be less. So your eye will be very much comfortable in this mode. This is the standard mode right now. Now we are exit from this particular menu. Now this is the image setup. This is the color temperature setup. In the color temperature setup there is an option. This is right now the normal mode. Here is an option for the warm mode and sRGB mode. This is the full color depth or full color spectrum will be changed. So whatever you need you can choose from this option. Okay, and whatever I have already told you, this menu option has also the low blue light features is available. Okay, this is the low blue light features, and there is no the 2-3 level of low blue light features like other monitor. This is the straightforward on or off. Okay, so if you turn on this low blue light filters for your night time use or the everyday daily life use, or otherwise you can turn off this for your color temperature purpose, because whenever you turn on this, your color temperature option will be gray out, so you can turn off from this position. So this is a very good monitor. All the settings is very much easily available from the backside switches, and the color quality also very much depth you can check, and the sound quality is also good. I hope you will be like this monitor for your daily life purpose or your commercial purpose. Any kind of activity you can use this monitor. MSI Pro MP242. I hope you have liked all the features of this monitor. If you enjoyed this video, like this video and share as much as possible. Also subscribe our National PC YouTube channel for all the latest updates and all the latest video. If you need any kind of information regarding technical or regarding features of this monitor, please comment us in this video. I will see you on the next video with some exciting products.